If you've ever saved posts on X but then couldn't remember where to find them later, this video is going to help. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your bookmarks on x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a couple of simple steps. This is perfect if you've saved posts for later, want to revisit a thread, or just need to organize the content you've bookmarked. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Let's jump right in. To begin, open x.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Bookmarks are saved to the account you're currently using, so this step matters. Once you're on the X homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main menu, where X places all of its navigation options. If you don't immediately see the option you need, click More. This expands the full list of menu items and reveals additional tools and sections that are not shown in the compact menu. After clicking More, a larger menu will appear. From there, look for Bookmarks and click it. That's where X stores every post, video, thread, and update that you've saved for later. As soon as you click Bookmarks, X will open your full Bookmarks page. Here you can browse everything you've saved in one place, making it easy to go back to important posts whenever you need them. If you're trying to find something specific, you can scroll through your saved items until you see the post you want. And that's really all there is to it. In just 2 steps, you can view bookmarks on x.com or Twitter anytime you want. It's a simple feature, but it's incredibly useful if you save lots of posts and need a quick way to come back to them later. If this video helped, please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.